In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check your number format here in the Google Sheets app. So when you're working on a spreadsheet and you're not sure the format of all the values within your data, this is how you can check it. So I have this example, and what I want to do is to make sure that everything or all the values are in the correct format. So to check that, first what you're going to do is to select the range that you want to check. There you go. Just tap and drag it down to select that entire range. So this is my stock quantity and all these are numbers. But I want to make sure that they are formatted as numbers. So to check that, again, select that range, go to format here at the top and tap on cell. Here we have it. So what you're going to do is to scroll up until you see the number format. If you tap on it, here we have it. So right now it's formatted as automatic, which means it is in a number format, not in percent, not in plain text. So that's that. Let me check another one right here. This time, this is my price range. So it's already formatted in currency. Just to make sure again, I'm just going to tap and select that range. Go to format at the top. Select number format again. And this time we don't have automatic checked. So if I swipe up, there we have it. Now we have currency checked on the right side. So that is in the correct format. Now last one would be this part right here. So this is my reorder level. So these are all numbers, but they're aligned on the left side. So that's a bit questionable. I'm going to select that range again just to make sure it is still in a number format. So if I go to the format again at the top and select number format right here, you'll see that this one is actually formatted as a plain text. That's why it's aligned on the left side. But if we go to number right here, it will now be aligned to the right, which is the same for our other values on our data. And there you have it. So that's how you can check your number format using your Google Sheets app. Now, unfortunately, this number format is only to be seen on iOS devices. So if you're using the Sheets app on an Android device, you won't be able to see this option on the Sheets app. But there you have it. That's how you can check your number format using your Google Sheets mobile app. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.